Hi everyone, and welcome to the 24 Knitting Tips of Christmas with your hosts
Arne and Carlos.
What are you doing now?
Actually, my plan was to put reindeers on the roof.
Okay.
And on this package there are reindeers, but there's no reindeers in there. It's only snowflakes.
Well, it does say white chocolate snowflakes on the package.
Why is there a picture of a reindeer?
Well,
But I have reindeers in the kitchen because I made reindeers in the gingerbread.
no you
So
don't.
I've eaten those also.
No, they're in the house. Which is one of the reasons why the house is falling down.
That's exactly, we just put all the cakes in the cake.
Yeah, well, the cookies in
The cookies in the cake.
Yeah, the gingerbread are in the gingerbread, therefore...
But we can put snowflakes on the roof, maybe. If I put on more red, let's see if that works.
I want you to put a hat on my snowman. And why don't you put the stars? You can just start taking these out. Look at this.
Yeah, but need to have something to put them in.
We can put these lovely little white chocolate things.
Yeah.
And they would be lovely.
Put them on the roof.
And while you do that, I'm going to give you fantabulous. Look at that. That is amazing. Oh, we love that. That is gorgeous.
Amazing. Now it's like the building style from the early 1900s.
Yeah, Queen Anne.
The Queen Anne house, or
Arts and crafts.
it's like a Viking style thing.
Ooh. Well, at least it's the snowflake that's going to fall down. Hopefully not the house. Anyway, we've got tips for you again. Lots of great tips. We are reaching the end of our Advent calendar. We are already in the 20s. So today is number 21, I believe, which means that it only have a few more episodes left. So let's start talking about finishing a garment. And I've got a great tip for you guys. The best way, in our humble opinion, to finish a garment is to take out your iron, to take out your ironing table, to get a wet cloth, put the cloth over the knit and iron it gently. When you put the hot iron on the towel which is wet, you create a lot of steam, and that makes a beautiful finish for the garment.
It flattens the knit
flattens the
out.
knit, it makes all the stitches fall into place, and it is what causes the sweater to be beautifully finished, or the garment.
And you can wear it at once. You don't have to wait for days.
Yeah.
If you make it soaking wet, then it has to dry before you wear it, and you don't have to do that. So this is a Queen Anne house that is falling down.
I also want to mention that we are personally not big fans of the whole soaking and pinning. But this is a personal opinion.
Well, we never do it.
We don't do it. It's not something we believe in personally. And also, when you soak and pin, you may, end up having to buy a lot of expensive equipment that takes a lot of space. And, everybody has, or most people have, an iron and an ironing board. So that is actually already there. It's been paid for a long time ago. You don't need to put your money in expensive equipment when you already have what you need to give a garment a good finish at home. Now, of course, this is only our opinion, and there are those who love and believe in blocking and soaking and pinning their garments. And of course, we're not saying it's wrong. To each their own. We all do it our way, and it is the end result that counts, as always.
Yeah.
Okay, do you have some time to read a couple of comments?
I have, but you want this one?
No, thank you.
This is, then it works.
Oh, and a question. Do we have a Christmas ball to reveal?
No.
No.
Should I go and get a Christmas ball?
Yeah, I think we need to go get a Christmas ball.
But then you can...
I can talk about the competition in the meantime.
You can take the first question.
Okay, let's do it that way.
Because I'll be back in a minute.
Yeah. So, today we forgot to put the Christmas ball. Happens sometimes. Arne is going to run. And in the meantime, I'm going to reveal the comments that Anna and PJ and Eric have put in sweater number 21 from our Advent calendar. And also remind you there's a competition going on. So if you want to participate, you can still do it. All you need to do is guess what is under this tray and put that in the comments of today. and of the past episodes and also of the future, and you'll be eligible to win a private meet and greet with Arne and me, and 2 of your best friends can join. So you really want to start commenting now. You can comment as many times as you want. We're going to select a random day and a random winner. You're back.
I'm back with the ball.
You're back with the ball, and I've got your there.
Thank you.
And I've got mine here, and I'm going to read
Oh,
my.
I have to wait.
Yeah, no, don't even go there. I'm going to read my comment first, and then you can read yours, and then we'll reveal the ball. We did a rerun. Okay, this is a good one. We did a rerun on how to pack our luggage when we go on tour. And this is from Osusu. Oh, funny name. Who knew that watching someone pack suitcases could be so entertaining? Love both of your packing techniques. So many tips. I need to get some Ziploc bags. Such a good idea. Ziploc bags are great because you can suck the air out of them and make everything smaller.
Yep.
We love the packing cubes that we guys showed you when we packed our luggage.
Yep.
And you saw how many knitting projects we brought. I believe we prioritized knitting projects over shoes. And after we had left for that trip, we had to drive back and pick up the shoes that we had forgotten to pack.
Actually, we did.
Yeah, remember? It's a fun video though.
But we're good at packing.
Yeah.
We have a saying in Norway, when you go fishing, you don't bring fish. You have to catch the fish.
Yeah, that's absolutely true.
That's why we have soft bags and empty suitcases, and because you can always bring home stuff.
Can always, yeah.
Okay. Oppakke kofferten. The
Same video, yeah.
Lucy Solar. Lovely episode. I love the socks you packed for the trip. My mother does the same when she visits us. Puts a suitcase inside another one. When I visit
Black belt in shopping.
I know. When I visit my family, I usually bring one suitcase full of things I'm bringing to leave there. Gifts, hand-me-down clothes for your young relatives, things like that. So I have to say that empty suitcases too my English. So I have that empty suitcase to fill with things to bring back home.
See, we've got loads
That's
of professional
what we
shoppers
do
here.
also.
Yeah.
My English is kind of terrible.
No, you're so good.
You should read this.
No, you're so good, Arne.
I know, I'm so good.
Yeah.
But it's always good to have those empty suitcases.
It is, yeah.
Like we went to America once a few years ago and we brought that giant suitcase, which you can actually have 3 suitcases in one.
Yeah,
like
one
there's
inside
small,
the other.
the bigger and the
other.
biggest one. And that was the year we bought the snowshoes in, was it that up in New York?
Yeah.
Like upstate New York?
It's like that dish they used to do in the old days. You had a duck inside a goose,
Oh, that was
inside a swan. Yeah, I mean, come on.
I saw that on YouTube. They
Crazy.
tried that dish. Oh my God, that was.
But this is something they did in the... Oh no, it was inside a swan.
First a swan, and then you put another bird in the...
A goose.
A goose, and it ended up with a small...
A duck inside, yeah, I mean... Yeah, those were the days in the 16th century when they cooked like that. We don't do that anymore, thankfully. But we can do that with suitcases instead, which is much, much better.
So, thanks for the comments.
Thanks for the comment. We've got a Christmas ball to
We have a Christmas ball.
Or reveal, can I?
You can do it.
Ah, it's a lucky heart with a little ribbon inside.
A heart and a ribbon. That's 2 in 1.
Or a little Martian.
No, it's a heart and a ribbon.
Yeah, but it looks like a little Martian as well.
Okay, it can if you're into that.
Yeah. Otherwise, it's a heart with a ribbon.
It's a heart and a ribbon.
Very, very cute. So this is going up on the tree. This is Christmas ball number 21. And we only have 3 more to go. 3 more episodes to go. And 3 more balls to reveal. And 9 more comments to reveal. No, 6. 2 times 3 is 6. So 6 more comments to reveal.
And you have 3 more videos where you can put the right answer to the competition.
Yeah. Oh, wow. Plus
all the others.
all the back list as well, as we call it in the industry. A backlist when you're in publishing is when you publish books, and then your backlist is the old books that you also have. So it's not only your first book, your last book, but also the
So
ones
we have
before.
a backlist now.
We have a backlist of episodes where you can put your comments. So keep commenting. You may be the winner. Yeah, so I'm gonna go put this up on the tree, and we'll see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Remember to like and remember to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.